back, if you can see the back.
It's like,
And
this one is not the same to the other ones, not, but
it's another 1932 Ford Roadster.
Wow.
Look how low the wheels are. It's
Yeah.
beautiful. And the engine is really in great shape. Look how clean, beautiful it is. Alright, we got one more over here. This looks like something from, you know, an Addams Family kind of show back in the old days.
Notice that the seat is red.
Yes,
Beautiful.
it's beautiful. This is a 1931. Wow, one of the older ones that we have. Look at the beautiful inside red. Look at the beautiful. It's beautiful. All right. All right.
Do you think let's talk after that?
Did you want me to stop?
Huh? No, let's go over there.
All right, we're gonna keep
Oh,
going.
this is also Ford.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Mama, bigyan
It's a
Ford.
1931.
Yeah, Ford. 1931.
Look at this. It's like the older versions of station wagons.
Yes,
It's a huge car. If you think about it. It seats 6 easily, and then has a back where back in the old days kids would hop in the back there. So you probably could fit 8 or 9 people in this car. It's huge, and it is a 1955 Chevy Nomad. Wow, it's beautiful. Restored, beautifully restored.
Can you go a little bit farther, sir, so that they can move the whole
Sure.
front?
Yeah. Wow, look at that front. That's amazing.
And they can see my dance?
And they can see your dance. As you can tell, there's a DJ playing music from like the 50s, 60s, and 70s. And it's perfect for these classic cars to hear classic music and classic rock. So it's awesome.
Having fun.
Wow, look at these old cars. Look at that car, huh?
Oh my God, there's a teddy bear inside.
Oh, there's a teddy bear inside. Oh, there's 2 teddy bears. They must be hanging out today.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
maybe they're brothers.
Look at that. And look at this old one. Wow.
Oh gosh, look at this.
Wow, this is a what? 1917. This clearly is the oldest car
1917?
that we've seen so far today. It's actually the Model T, which is the first car that was ever made. I just talked about this a week ago. I asked a trivia question, what was the first car that was made, and it was the Model T Ford, and this is it.
This is it?
And this is how it looks, yeah. 1917. And look how beautiful it is restored. Let's go, yeah, 1917.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, look at this. Oh, it's amazing.
It's like
They restored it beautifully. Wow, look at this. The inside with the shifts and the valves, it's absolutely beautiful. Wow. That is the oldest car we've seen today, 1917. Wow.
what is this?
This is a 1951 Ford Victoria.
Project Car Pursuit.
And
oh,
that's,
this is for sale.
This is for sale today. So they're selling a car that they worked on and restored, and they're looking to sell it. So that's pretty cool.
This one is, ito mahaba.
And then this is what? What is this?
I don't know, sir.
Can you see the
Yeah.
placard?
So this is also Ford, sir. T-Bird.
Oh, a Thunderbird, Ford
Yeah.
Thunderbird, and it's a 1965.
Oh wow, I'm born already.
Yeah,
I'm born 19.
it's okay.
Toot, 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 toot. I'm not gonna tell.
All right, so this is a 1968 Ford Torino. Wow, again, kind of like a station wagon. It's very long with a lot of room, as you can see. It's amazing. Wow. This is a Firebird. Firebirds were very, very popular back in the day. Let's see what year this is. It's a 1967 Pontiac Firebird. These were like the sports car of the day. It was wonderful. People love that. Let's check out one more car. Oh, we got a real old car coming out soon.
There's something inside.
Let's see what's inside. Oh, looks like it's so cute. It's like Howdy Doody. Yeah, it's Howdy Doody in a car seat. That's pretty cool. And this is looks like a 1952. Wow. That's amazing. Chevrolet. Amazing car. Amazing car. And then we got 2 more cars to
Meron
go.
na tayong new supermodel. We have new supermodel.
Oh, here's a new supermodel that's showing off this classic car, 1952. And then we got 2 more classic cars to see. And look at this beautiful fire engine red car. And then an old classic truck, it looks like. Beautiful. As my wife, Becky, dances. Let's see how old this truck is. This is a 1931. Wow, 1931. Again, one of the oldest trucks. One of the first trucks that was ever made. You could see how they can store stuff in the back. Awesome. And the engine looks wonderful. It's amazing. Do you want to say one last thing before we cut the video for this one? Do you want to say one last thing?
For this one?
For this video?
Oh, yeah. Nagpapasalamat